Hello everyone. Today we're focusing on Lockout Tagout, also known as LOTO, a vital safety procedure. What is LOTO? Lockout Tagout is a safety procedure used to isolate and secure equipment to prevent accidental startup during maintenance or servicing. Why LOTO? Without Lockout Tagout, LOTO machines can spring to life without warning. Just because a machine is silent doesn't mean it's safe. Can someone activate it remotely? Could energy be stored inside? If you can't answer no to every energy risk, then don't start work. Here are some basic LOTO procedures. Step 1. Identify all energy sources. Start by locating every hazardous energy source. Some are hidden. Step 2. Shut down the machine. Use normal stop buttons. Let all movement stop. Step 3. Isolate the energy. Turn off main breakers. Close valves. Unplug sources. Block motion. Step 4. Apply lock and tag. Attach your lock and tag. Use a hasp if others are involved. Step 5. Release stored energy. Drain any leftover energy, bleed air, lower parts, and discharge the power. And lastly, Step 6. Verify isolation. Try to start the system. It must not respond. Lockout Tagout legally required under Singapore's Workplace Safety and Health Act and aligns with international standards like ISO 45001 and OSHA. It protects workers by preventing the unexpected release of hazardous energy during maintenance or servicing. These are the basic step-by-step Lockout Tagout, LOTO procedures that must be complied with to ensure safe and proper isolation of equipment during maintenance or servicing activities. Lockout Tagout is never a solo task. It's a team commitment where every individual plays a role in protecting everyone else. This lock isn't just metal, it's a personal promise. I'm here. I'm safe. Don't restart until I say so. Always remember, every lock you apply isn't just for the machine. It's for your safety because one small mistake can change everything. Take the time to lock it, tag it, and test it. Not just for compliance, but because someone is waiting for you at home.